What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we are looking at the motorcycle jump I just did a couple minutes ago. Haven't watched that video, you should, but whatever, doesn't matter, I guess. Here we go. This is my jump part 2. So let's see. This is watch it normal. Alright, that's me. That's my dad. He's on our friend's 2-stroke. Or, 250. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Alright. So right here, you can obviously, I am coming off of the jump. And then, see here. And then, let's see the climax of the jump. This is the middle of the jump. This is the highest point I'm going to get. That's about 3, probably 5 feet from the jump. From there. And then you see, this is kind of the end of my jump. That's about 10 feet from the jump. The jump is out of frame. Now you can see, and then that's where the end of that jump is, and now I'm in the trees. So let's go back a little bit more. Okay. And we're moving, and we're kind of hitting our both tires at once. So we can obviously see that's almost 15 feet. Alright, now we looked at mine. Now let's look at my dad's. Now this is our friend's 2-stroke, and he's not really into the 250. But you see he's coming off the jump there. And this is the climax of the jump. He's about 2 feet from the jump at that point. Or maybe 3 feet, probably 3 feet. And boom, landed. Alright, let's check how much time I'm in the air for. Alright, 1. Alright, hold on. 1. Almost a second. Almost a second. A great one I landed. Alright, well, anyways, that's it. Bye-bye.